definitely an advantage to be able to live as close to my dad as I do. Gonna run up and have lunch with him again, second day in a row. And today I'm gonna show him for the first time, I'll call it the user interface, but it's really, a utility interface that I will use to test the whole home audio control solution that I'm putting together. The user interface is actually being done by my brother, and it'll be far nicer than what you see in this video. But it'll be cool to give him exposure to something that his kid has put together. I think he'll be over the moon with it. So let's check it out. So here at Dad's house, and what we're going to be doing is replacing this monstrosity with some kind of slick display, maybe an iPad, maybe a Raspberry Pi with a large display on it. But this will all be touch enabled to control routing audio via the house. So I have his iPad. Fortunately, he left it here on the kitchen counter, so kind of envisioning that up there. I don't know if you can see the UI, it's kind of glary, maybe if I get closer, but yeah. Again, this is just a utility interface that I will use to test things. The final user experience will be far, far more slick. But it's kind of where we're headed. We'll see. And so, if you could imagine that on the wall, right? So that's your control surface. I don't know if you need your glasses, but all of that is, you can play with those tools. They're not connected to anything yet, but you see volume control, you see station tuning, whether you want to do AirPlay or the tuner for each of the different receivers.
So is this a slide or just, okay, yeah. I see now. Oh, okay. On, off.
And you can even...
that's probably better. Oh yeah, okay, I see. Very slick, very slick. Nice, Ron, very nice.
Now, that's just the utility that I use to test stuff. When Terrence puts his polish on it, it's going to be, really nice visual appeal to it.
Okay. That is very nice. We're moving right along. Yeah, when we get that all hooked up over there, that will be fantastic. So we just have to send the that information that we talked about. This is going to be too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You talked to her today?
I talked to her last night. Is Ronnie over? Is he nice?
I'm not even sure that you can hear me. I am at Solace Brewery in, I'm going to say Herndon, Virginia. I don't think that's quite right, but celebrating the holidays. Actually, this is a charity event with a great business partner of ours. So showing up to represent jazz, a little bit of a reunion, if you will, with some good folks that I haven't seen in a while, but definitely a worthy cause. pretty long drive back home. Once I get there, I will have some fun, continue with my special project. A little break in the day. Hey Google, turn on the Master Suite fireplace.
Sure, turning the Master Suite fireplace on.
Great day today, all in all. Got to spend time with Dad, which is always cool. Nice lunch, the ability to show him the user interface for the tool. Always, or also, inspirational. He really likes it. Was also able to send Mom a text, who's actually in Mexico at the moment, but sent her an image of what things look like. She's also super excited about what's coming. Also got to spend some time with a great business partner of ours at a charity event, which was phenomenal. A little break from the action, so to speak. But back here at the house, and once I record this segment, I'll move to the task of editing some video and posting for this evening's entry in the saga, so to speak. With that said, I will leave you with a bit of a better view of the user interface as it stands currently, and you'll see me in the next one.